Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what's going on and what are the messages for you. Leo, what's your February messages? What are the messages? 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups and 2 of Pentacles. Devil, 8 of Cups and the Emperor. Oh. Page of Pentacles under the deck. Some communication, some apologies coming in your way. Someone is spying on you on social media. Definitely they want to communicate with you and this person may be immature. Let's see your reading. Recent past. 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups and 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, you both have mutual love between both of you. But you or your person may be juggling. Maybe you. They have love for you but there is no emotional balance. Maybe they are unavailable emotionally. Maybe they are in and out of your life. But love is there. But they are not consistent. And when you want them emotionally, maybe they are not available to you. Whatever may be the situation. But you always there for your person. You always working for this connection. And your money also looking good. You are concentrating on your career. 8 of Pentacles. Right now what is going February middle, the Devil and 8 of Cups, the Emperor. Yeah, you stand by your power because you deserve best. There is some obsession also. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also, and you walked away because someone is walked away in this connection. It could be you or your person, but I think it is you. Because there is obsession. Maybe your person is very dominative. Maybe they are non-committal. That's why you walked away. Then you stand by your power and you achieved your balance back. Yeah. And future energies. 3 of Swords, Knight of Wands and Ace of Swords. Some communication, truth coming out is coming. And you are heartbroken. Yeah. But you overcome this pain. And Knight of Wands, they are coming back. See, Knight of Wands, they are not consistent. They are very passionate about you and there is a lot of passion is there, but there is no commitment. What I'm seeing here, they are non-committal. That's why you walked away. Even though you both have mutual love, but there is no commitment. But Ace of Swords energy, some communication, truth coming out. They want to express their feelings to you. But you stand by your power and you achieved balance. You are in your control right now, Leo. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But they want to say apology. Some communication is coming in your way. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. So under the deck, 9 of Cups. Yeah, they're wishing for you. They are wishing for this connection. So let's see your person current feelings. Lot of cards. Your person current feelings towards you, Leo. One card. Strength. It's your card and it's your reading. Okay, one card. Death. Who? See, 4 of Pentacles. I think they want to express their feelings. Maybe in past they are having hard time to express their feelings because 4 of Pentacles straight. They're ready to. This time they want to express their feelings. That's why they're getting their strength back to come towards you. Maybe they're undergoing some transformation also. The Death card. For some there are some endings also because you are in separation. But now they're getting their strength back and want to communicate with you. And they want to express their feelings to you. They're thinking about that. Again, under the deck, Ace of Swords. They want to express and they want to communicate with you. I think communication I'm getting. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Leo, your person near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands, Seven of Wands, lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and again under the deck, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they're ready to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. Three of Pentacles, collaboration. I think in past there is no collaboration between both of you. There is no equal give and take. You're always there for your person, but now your person realizing you both after the separation. Now they want partnership with you. They won't give up on you. They are manifesting you back. Maybe your person manipulator. Maybe they are player type. They may be player. Yeah, they're trying to manifest you again in their life. They won't give up on you. Yeah, now they are feeling like this Ten of Wands energy. Maybe they have so much responsibilities like family responsibilities or work pressure. But they're thinking about you. They won't give up on you. They're manifesting you back. They're trying to manifesting you back. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo or Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. Wow, see. They really want, again, see, under the deck, Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in past in this connection, but now your person is ready to offer this equal give and take in this connection. And the Star with the Fool, definitely they are seeing and they are hoping new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. Maybe there are some trust issues in this connection. They want to regain their trust. So the Fool, yeah, definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. They're really hoping communication is coming. Leo. Wow. Two positive cards. In connection. But see, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. I think you both are very straightforward. Maybe some egos also plays a crucial role in this connection. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. You stand by your power. This time you are acting like cold. Yeah, they're coming back. They're hoping for second chance. But it's totally in your hands. Because you stand by your power. Maybe you decided to move on from this person. For some. Yeah, it's up to you. If you want to move on, it's totally up to you. Because you know your situation well. These are the only just interpretation of what's going and outlines. Okay, so King of Swords, definitely you are very straightforward, very honest person in this connection. But Queen of Swords, maybe you decided to cut off. For some there will be new beginnings, very few, but some what I'm seeing, Queen of Swords and King of Swords, maybe you want to cut off them from your life. That's why they're trying to manifesting you back again in their life. But they're still hoping for new beginnings with you. And some communicate, definitely there will be some communication between both of you guys. Lot of, again, see, Page of Swords under the deck. They're spying on you. They want to test the waters before coming you. Yeah, before coming towards you. So lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Leo. You deserve best. Yeah, you deserve love. Yeah, you decided to move on, see. Because you spiritual awakening, you achieved your balance. You are totally, now you are in your control. Because when you are in this relationship, you're feeling overburdened because you only the person always investing, always taking care of this relationship. Yeah, literally you are undergoing some tower moment, but it doesn't matter for you. You achieved balance because these are very heavy energies right now, but you overcome these energies after the transformation. Then you decided to move on. So take what resonates, but what cards come, I'm telling. So, but still they're hoping from their side, but it's totally up to you. Six of Wands is popped out. So they want success in this connection. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Everyone's situation is different from another one. So take decision according to your situation. Okay. Yeah, they're ready to offer this 10 of Cups happiness with you, and they're ready to work on this relationship. See, They're suffering, they're missing you so much. They're also sad for the separation. They're obsessed with you. That's why they're coming back. They're obsessed with you and they're feeling sad. They're ready to work on this relationship. They want to offer this happiness, but choice is yours. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. A time for healing. Yeah, you are undergoing some transformation and you are having heartbreak or some trauma energy. You are missing them badly. It is a time for you healing. Okay, after healing you will be normal. You stand by your power. Okay, and it is very positive. Maybe if you are suffering due to separation, but you will be healed. Okay, in February. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.